Hello everyone, this is Ollie, my Lictus parrot. He's 6 months old. His vocabulary is really growing. He's got to about 25 words. I'll do a little demonstration for you. Hello Ollie, how are you? Good boy. What you doing? Sorry? Are you a good boy, Ollie? You want an apple?
Thanks.
Who's a pretty boy?
Not you.
How are you?
Go thanks. Bless you.
Thank you.
Good stuff.
Say hello.
You doing, mate?
What you doing?
Oh.
Well, hello to you too. What you doing?
Stuffo.
We'll see you later.
Boy, English.
Sorry?
Look at it. Mister.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
No, no.
See ya.